Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thanks for joining me. I definitely appreciate it. And for you new visitors to my channel, I know you have a lot of options on YouTube for watch reviews, so I really do appreciate you checking out my channel and I hope you like it. Now guys, to say I'm excited is definitely the understatement. I know I've said that before. I've said that about a couple of other watches I've had on this channel, but this one really does take the cake. I'm almost speechless, which is very rare for me. Today we have the USA Exclusive. Yes, that's right, the USA Exclusive. Normally these watches are like a Japanese release, like a JDM version, or like a Zimbabwe in Thailand only, but this is a USA Exclusive Seiko Prospex Ice Diver. Of course, this is the Sumo, and it's a 200-meter automatic. The model number is SPB179. And guys, this is definitely my favorite new Sumo. I know I said that last time about the Japan 2020 collection, but man, this thing is beautiful. Let's check it out. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into this thing. But first, here's where I would normally suggest heading on over to my Amazon store, but I'm scratching that today. Don't worry about my Amazon store, give it a break. I'm really highly recommending you checking out Topper Jewelers. I'll put up the logo right there. It's not the highest res logo I could find, but anyway, there it is. That's where I got this ice diver, and man, it couldn't have been a more pleasurable experience. Kit, you are fantastic. Rob, one of the owners, super nice guy. They were easy to deal with, and man, I couldn't have had a better transaction if I tried. I mean, they were nice to talk to, very knowledgeable. And man, they could have made this just a better purchase if they tried. Anyway, let's check this thing out. I think you're going to be blown away as I am. I'm having a hard time finding the words here. Obviously, you notice this is the different watch box. This is not your normal Seiko Prospex watch box. It's got kind of like that rubberized finish all over the box. And you notice it's really long. You're like, what is going on with this thing? Now, some of y'all might know about this. Some of you might not. In fact, I was trying to open it wrong there. Let me do this. Take this outer sleeve off here. There we go. Try not to knock the camera. There you go. So there's your outer sleeve. Let's get that out of the way. All right. God, I love the feel of these boxes. Let's open this thing up. Boom. So here is the ice diver. Maybe one of the best looking Sumos. Probably it is the best looking Sumo I've ever had. That dial is crazy. And this is not going to be a full review because I've reviewed a couple of these third gen Sumos before. Again, most recently that Japan 2020 collection, obviously all the same specs. The only spec that's really changed is the fact that this has a Cyclops on it and the other ones don't. So let's go ahead and go over the basics of the watch. In fact, before we get into that, let me show you what you get here and what makes this a special edition. Not a limited edition, but a special edition. You got your manual, boom. Got your warranty card, boom. And boom, you get a Mini Mag-Lite, a Prospex branded Mini Mag-Lite. Let me see if I can get this thing out of here. There we go. Which I thought was incredibly cool. I love Mag-Lites. There you go. Little Prospex Mini Mag-Lite. Really nice, man. All right. Let's go ahead and put that in. Here's a tag down there. Let me show you the tag while I've got it. SPB179. There's your retail price on there. All right. So let's put all this stuff back. And I'll give you, like I said, just the basic specs. If you want all of the specs, just check out the description field. Let me take it off of its pillow here. God bless, this is a gorgeous watch. I thought I liked that Japan 2020 collection, but this thing just blows it out of the water. Plus the fact it's a USA exclusive. I like the Cyclops. Cyclops don't bother me at all. That's going to be probably a polarizing thing for some of y'all. Some of y'all are going to hate it. Some of y'all are going to love it. Some of y'all are not going to mind it. I like it. But that waffle dial. Anyway, all right, I'll drool over the watch here in just a second. All right, so looking at your normal 45 millimeter case. It's 12.9 millimeters thick. It's 52.6 millimeters lug to lug. Of course, it's on a 20 millimeter stainless steel bracelet. Water resistant 200 meters, which is 660 feet. You've got the 6R35 movement with a 70-hour power reserve, which is about 20 hours over the second gen. And of course, you have a sapphire crystal. So guys, again, just a real quick review. Check out all the rest of the specs in the description field if you want to see those. I mean, just look at that watch, man. Look at that dial. It is gorgeous. And it's still plenty legible because the hands and the lume in the hands are a little bit different color, but you have that kind of that light Tiffany blue. Is that really the blue I'm talking about? It's more like a stained glass blue. I can't really think of the color that I'm looking for. Maybe not a cobalt. Cobalt is kind of like the bezel. Of course, you got a 120 click bezel. The bezel lines up perfectly, by the way. Good job, Seiko. You got that Cyclops over there at 3 o'clock. You know, your typical non-signed screw-down crown. The other ones were signed. The previous generation had a signed screw-down crown. Can't talk tonight. The only thing about these Sumos that, you know, I think bugs me and a lot of people is the stamped metal clasp. I mean, come on, Seiko. I mean, good Lord, this is a $900 watch. Let's get a different clasp in there. It's time. These bracelets, you've been putting on these bracelets for watches for, gosh, I don't know how many years. I know you've probably made millions of them. Let's upgrade the bracelet game, man. It's time. There's your Caseback right there. You can see here it says Sapphire and Special Edition. Again, not a limited edition. The difference between Special Edition and Limited Edition is a limited edition means they make only a certain number, then they don't ever make anymore. Special Edition means they make a certain number, it's a higher number, but they don't give you a definite end date of the production run. There's just something special about that watch. And that's why this qualifies as a Special Edition, because it's a USA exclusive only. You get the little Mag-Lite with the watch. Man, it's just gorgeous. Let me go ahead and try it on. All right. In fact, I think I have the dive extension out. Do I? No, I don't. Okay. Thought I had the dive extension open for some reason. All right. Now, I want y'all to stay tuned till the very end of this one because I want to tell you how to get a hold of one of these. Oh, man. Golly. I mean, it looks, honestly, guys, it looks like a super high-end Omega or Rolex when you first look at it. Not because of the indexes or the hands or even the bezel. Just that dial color is going to, make people think it's a high-end Rolex or Omega or some other really, really nice Swiss watch. Or maybe even possibly like maybe an AP possibly? I'm not quite sure. But, upon first looking at it, you're going to like, good Lord, that's a really nice watch. And it is a really nice watch. All right, let me go ahead and kill the studio light, kill the monitor. You know what's going to happen with the Lume here. No shock, no surprise. They have the best Lume in the business. I didn't even turn off the monitor because you know what's going to happen with this Lume. There you go. Typical awesome Seiko Lume. Love that LumiBrite. All right, let's go ahead and turn everything back on. And I'm going to tell you how to get a hold of one of these. Oh, and guys, I forgot to tell you, I don't make a dime if you buy this from Topper Jewelers. I just wanted to make that perfectly clear. I was just so happy with the sales and service for them. I just want to steer traffic to their business. They're just fantastic to deal with. I don't get a cut of any sales they make, so please don't think I'm trying to, make some money off this watch. I just want you to deal with them because Topper has a lot of cool stuff. They have a lot of like Seiko exclusives, G-Shock exclusive, a lot of, free gifts with purchase. Check out their website, man. Not all watches are like this where you actually have to call them, obviously, to buy it. But check out their website, man. Anyway, I just want to let you all know that, again, I don't make a dime if y'all buy one of these from Topper Jewelers. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put all of Topper's information in the description field. Now, in order to get one of these, you're going to have to call them. You can't go on their website and buy one of these. So you're going to have to call them and make your order over the phone. Now, what I highly suggest you do is you ask for Kit. She was excellent to deal with. Man, she was so much fun to talk to. Tell her that Maverick Watch Reviews sent you, and you will not regret it. She will give you excellent customer service. So please make sure you talk to Kit over there at Topper Jewelers. Man, I couldn't have had a better buying experience in my entire life. She was really fantastic to deal with. So guys, that's really about it for this one. Again, I'm not going to do a full review because I've done a review of these before. I've done 2 of these now, and this is by far my favorite. Now, I know there'll probably be another one that comes out next month and be like, oh my God, that's my favorite. And then a month after that, that's my favorite. But as of right now, this is the best looking Sumo I think I've ever seen. And it's that dial. Tell me what color that is. And it's like a, I don't know, like a pool blue, like a light pool blue or something. I can't really describe the color. It's not Tiffany. Tiffany's more green. I don't know what color that is. Not a teal, like a sky blue maybe, like a really light, yeah, that's it, like a light sky blue. And then you have the waffle dial. God, it's just a gorgeous watch, man. Gorgeous, gorgeous watch. So guys, these are selling fast. Now there are 2 other versions of this thing. There's this one and there's 2 other colors. There's a green. Let me take a look here. If you don't like this one, for whatever reason, there's a dark green version. In fact, I'll go ahead and put that up on the left-hand side of the screen for you. Here are the other 2 colors. There's a dark green, and then there is the gray. That gray is fantastic looking too. So guys, I appreciate you checking out this video. I love this watch. Again, head on over to Topper Jewelers. Make sure you talk to Kit. Make sure you say that Maverick Watch Reviews sent you. You will not regret it. Anyway, guys, until the next review, as always, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell. I definitely appreciate it. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next review. Take care. Bye-bye.